What does the future hold for data engineers? Let's dive into the 2025 roadmap. Picture this. It's 2025, and data engineering has evolved into one of the most dynamic and in demand fields on the planet. But what skills and tools will you need to stay ahead of the curve? Let's break it down. First off, automation is taking the lead. Manual data pipelines? Those are becoming a thing of the past. Tools like Apache Airflow, Prefect, and Dagster are setting the gold standard for orchestrating workflows. Mastering these platforms will give you a serious edge. Next up, cloud computing is everywhere. Whether it's Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, knowing how to build and optimize cloud native data pipelines is a must. And don't stop at storage and compute. Serverless options like AWS Lambda and Google Cloud Functions are transforming how we think about scalability. Speaking of transformations, data engineers are now expected to dive into analytics and machine learning pipelines. That means brushing up on frameworks like Apache Spark and TensorFlow, and maybe even learning a bit of Python's Pandas library. The future belongs to those who can bridge engineering with data science. But it's not just about tools, it's about governance. As companies collect more data, compliance with privacy regulations is critical. Familiarity with data governance frameworks and tools like Apache Atlas and Calibra will keep you in the clear. And here's the kicker. The role of the data engineer is becoming more collaborative. Soft skills like communication and problem solving are just as important as technical expertise. Being a team player is what will set you apart in this evolving field. So, ready to level up for 2025? The future of data engineering is bright. If you're prepared to grow with it, comment for topics you want us to cover. Watch again if there's parts that you missed.